perfect.
Well, we just had a lovely meal. We had a couple of drinks, and we're taking a little stroll here on the beach just to check out what's around us. We have our little ensuite, little toilet. Navara is good to go. We have the tent all set up. Branch just sprung up and hit him right in the forehead there.
No, too bad.
Yeah, we'll have some sausages, enjoy that, and we'll see what happens next. Alright, so we made a little bit of an experiment with the pizza. Maybe I didn't cut this properly, but OMG.
I have my sausage.
What an amazing morning here on North Stradbroke Island. This kind of a sunrise just confirms what a beautiful location this is and how lucky we are to be able to be waking up in such a wonderful spot. No drone footage this time around, unfortunately. Yesterday we spotted a whale that wasn't too far off the coast, and I desperately looked for that drone, but there was, yeah, no luck. Oh well, live and learn. Well, that was interesting. Whew, they got a little hairy there for a second.
We are stuck, I think.
We're a little stuck.
Stuck. Let's do this, brother.
Let's try this. The sand is incredibly soft. We lost one of these tracks underneath the sand, and it got buried really, really deep, so we're just trying to get it out. Nicely done.
Yeah.
Well done. Let's try this one more time. The axle was actually buried under the sand the first time, but now we're a little bit better.
One more time.
Whew, they got a little hairy there for a second. Made it out though. The car's over there. Recovered the tracks somehow. Who makes these tracks in this color? That's ridiculous. Look, it's the same color as the sand. Not a very convenient color to see when you're digging around the sand. Anyways, they look cool on the back of the truck. That was a good exercise to burn off the calories from all that overeating yesterday.
It was a little scary, I think.
A little scary. That's what a professional cook should look like. Right setting with the right outfit and making the right kind of food. Predrag, which is loosely translated in from Serbian to English. It means too dear.
Too much, dear.
Too dear.
But I'm not.
But that's very deceiving because he's not very dear. He's alright dear. Just alright dear.
Actually.
Little drama today with the car. We got stuck one more time. A way more difficult recovery, and we were like perpendicular with the ocean, right? So we're facing up towards the hills, and we're stuck. Luckily, there were some trees, and I'm sorry, like it sucks not having the video for this, but I was stressing out because the tide was coming in. And I really wanted to quickly get us out of that little predicament. So what we did is pull out the winch, the entire rope out of the winch, and it was luckily just long enough to tie around the tree once, and we had a shackled it, you know, to the tree. And that was so lucky. So as I was pulling us out of with the winch, we were just still stuck and we couldn't get out, but at least the winch helped us get away from the water, which was very good. Then somehow we moved the winch to another tree, to another tree, and finally we were able to get some momentum going, and yeah, the car was back on the firm ground. That was scary, and I think now I need some because the winch is remotely operated, right? So I need to get some batteries for that remote, as it's now dead, and it wouldn't control the winch after a while. So luckily we were able to spool it back in. It was, yeah, kind of a messy day, so now we're just relaxing it. I'm a little bit worried of driving out there again and doing anything else. So I'm thinking it would be nice to just stay here for a little while and just relax, chill, maybe have a shower later on.